Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain how to draw the tangent arc to two given circles. Here, the thing is, this tangent arc is tangent to one circle externally to the other circle that is tangent to the internally. Okay, let's see how to construct this kind of tangent arc to two given circles. Okay, when two circles are externally tangent, distance in between the two centers is equal to the addition of their radius. You can see O1, O3 distance is equal to R1 plus R3. Okay, when two circles are tangent internally, the center distance is equal to the subtraction of their radius. You can see O2, O3 distance is equal to larger radius minus this radius, R3 minus R2. That means this distance is equal to R3 minus R2. So then from that we can locate this center point of the tangent arc. By extending this line O3, O1, we can find one tangent point. By extending O3, O2, we can find other tangent point. So then we can construct the tangent arc. This is how we are constructing the tangent arc. Let's see this example. Here 4 centimeter circle, the 2.5 centimeter circle. So we have to do the tangent arc with 10 centimeter. Okay, let's take for this circle the tangent arc is tangent internally. For this circle arc is tangent to externally. Okay, when these two are internally tangent, you can see the center distance is equal to the subtraction of their radius. So 10 minus 4, 6 centimeter away from this center. Okay, let's draw an arc with 6 centimeter. Okay, then with this circle that is tangent externally. Here when the two circles are tangent externally, the center distance is equal to addition of their radius. Here the 10 plus 2.5, 12.5 centimeters. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, we have to extend this arc 6 centimeter. Okay, this is the center point for the arc. Well, let's extend this line. This is one of the tangent point. Okay, this is other tangent point. Okay, now we are ready to draw the tangent arc. The arc radius is equal to 10 centimeter. Take the 10 centimeter to the compass. Okay, this is the tangent arc. Okay, this is the tangent arc. This is how we are constructing tangent arc to a two given circle when external and internal tangent situation. Okay, thank you. See you on next video.